just released 19 newer RAM support and 13 to 18 stuff as well. So go ahead and show you guys what you're going to get, how to install it, and all that fun stuff. So I don't have a fancy box on me, but what you're going to get, you're going to get an EasyLink, and you're going to get the Cummins unlock cable. So what we can do straight away, I don't have anyone to hold the camera, so bear with me here. I'm just going to set it down, but we're going to disconnect this guy. This is the cable that comes with the EasyLink. Since we have their unlock cable, we'll actually be using this one, so we can go ahead and disconnect this cable here. All right, so we got our new EasyLink and our EasyLink unlock cable there. You can tell the difference here by that guy. That's where the unlock is going to splice into, down on the side of the EasyLink. So what we're going to be working with today is going to be this little guy. This is the wire that plugs into the gateway module under the dash. We're actually going to be going like right up in here, and we're going to be working with a module that is towards the back of the vehicle. There's two up there in a row similar to this. So we can leave our EasyLink and all that here for now. We will get back to that. I also have a light and a pick. The reason why I have the light is so I can see up there. Reason why I had the pick is because I actually had to uninstall this because I've already had it installed. So I'm going to get my light set up here. Phone light will work. It's just, you know, sometimes it's tough to use the phone light up there. Let's see if I can place that all right. All right. Won't need our pick right now, but I'll show you where we are going to be going. Is up there on that gateway module. You can actually see I have another wire coming from it. That yellow and brown wire is actually the fish tuning bypass. So if you guys are going to be using that, this is going to get plugged into the same area. Nice thing about the EasyLink cables is it's actually plug and play. Give me a sec here. I'm going to try and adjust the light for you guys. A little bit more light there. So where we're going to be going is that far left column. Now if we're looking at it, any of those rows, that's where we're going to plug in this cable. So give me a second here. I'm going to plug it in. It actually doesn't matter if you're all the way up or on the bottom row there. You can see I have the other cable plugged into the top one, but I'm going to plug this one into the bottom one just so you can see there on that far left row. Give me one sec. And then just so you guys are aware, this is the side of the cable that we are going to be using. The black end there plugs into the EasyLink. So, nice and easy, plug and play there. Literally all you're doing is going to that far left bank, and you can plug right into that bottom one. It's a slide-in pin. Now that we have that here, we can go ahead and plug our EasyLink into that. Go ahead and find your guys' OBD2 port right there, and you can go ahead and connect your bypass cable in here, just like that. Plug and play, nice and easy. After you guys are all set up, obviously you can go ahead and mount this wherever you see fit. Just for now, I do have to test some other devices and stuff on this truck, but just for now I'm going to leave it right there. So now that we're all plugged in there, should be good to connect. So I'm going to go ahead and key the truck on. Pull out my phone for you guys. Sorry, hit the window there. Turn the radio off. There with the beep in there. I'm gonna probably close the door, then you guys won't have to deal with that. Anyways, you can see we're all still plugged in there. Now on my phone side, gonna go to our Wi-Fi, and we're gonna pull up our EasyLink there right off the bat. See, it's connecting. Cool, we're connected. Now we're gonna go all the way to our app here. You can see we are connected to my vehicle. Should show up with your VIN number and all that there. And like I was just touching on before, you go ahead and go to technicians. It's going to show who I am currently linked to. But if you need to add a new technician, that's going to be who you're adding is us, is EasyLink at DurhamXtreme.com. But you're going to hit this plus sign up here. You're just going to go accept. Then you're going to enter the technician email, which for us it would be easylink@duramaxtuner.com. If you're using someone else, use theirs. For us, if it's a auto agent that came from our facility, a lot of times it'll be pre-linked. So as soon as you connect to it, you should be prompted. Anyways, after you're linked, after your technician sends you files, you can go in here to ECU profiles, and you'll have all your profiles here built in. So you can select a profile. I got a lot of test files and stuff on here. It'll show you your last installed, all that fun stuff. And then you're going to see the little cloud sign. You can download it from the cloud, and then when you download it from the cloud, it'll go to install, and you'll have the ability to install that file. So find the file you want, fetch it from the cloud, install it. It'll go through this thing that says transferring ECU profile to auto agent. So that is just them putting the file onto your auto agent so it can get flashed into the truck. I do not actually need to flash this truck, but you can follow the process from here. It's going to have you key off, key on, and then start the flash. So I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel for now. Like I said, if you have the fish tuning bypass or you're using another bypass, I actually have mine installed. The difference is here, you're going to have to pull down your OBD2 port out of this clip here. Mine's popped back in again. And on the 19 Cummins, sorry, I got my wires taped up here, but on the 19 Cummins, the fish tuning bypass is going to be yellow and brown. On an 18 Cummins, you're going to go directly to the yellow and brown wires on the OBD. On the 19 Cummins, that is actually flipped. So the yellow wire would go to the brown, and the brown wire would go to the yellow. Is a little bit more of a pain in the ass once you're installing it, but other than that, you guys should be good to go.